Students, let us see the main points of the lesson. Topics in the chapter: introduction, distribution of population, density of population, factors affecting distribution of population, geographical factors, social, cultural and economical factors, population change, patterns of population change, population composition. That is the topics of the lesson. Let us see first introduction. People with their demand and abilities are considered as human resource. What is human resource? That is people with their demands as well as abilities. Human resource, like other resources, are not equally distributed over the world. Not only human resource, any of one of the resource, it is not equally distributed in the world. We have seen agriculture or the minerals, like that different resources, it is not distributed equally everywhere. They differ in their educational level, age, sex, etc. Their number and characteristics also keeping changing. Distribution of population, that is next topic. The way in which people are spread across the earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. In the way in which people are spread across the earth's surface is also known as the pattern of population distribution. The distribution of population in the world is extremely uneven. More than 90% of the world's population lives in about 30% of the land surface. Crowded area: South and Northeast Asia, Europe, Northeastern North America. Almost 3/4 of the world's population lives in two continents, Asia and Africa. 60% of the world's people live in just 10 countries. These are China, India, USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Russia, Russian Federation and Japan. Density of population: the population density is the number of the people living in a unit area of the earth's surface. It is normally expressed as square kilometers. The average density of population in the whole world, that is 51 persons per square kilometer. India, it is 351. South Central Asia has the highest density of population. Factors affecting distribution of population: geographical factors, topography. People always prefer to live on plain rather than mountains and plateaus because these areas are suitable for farming, manufacturing and service activities. Example: Ganga Plains are mostly densely populated areas in the world, while mountains like Andes, Alps, Himalayas are sparsely populated. Then climate: people usually avoid extreme climates that are very hot or very cold. Example: Sahara Desert is very hot and polar regions of Russia, Canada and Antarctica are cold or sparsely populated. Then next one, soil. Fertile soil provides suitable land for agriculture. Example: fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Hanghe, Changjiang in China and Nile in Egypt are densely populated. Water: people prefer to live in the areas where fresh water is easily available. Example: the river valleys of the world are densely populated while deserts have spare population. Minerals: areas with minerals deposits are more populated. Example: diamond mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East led to setting of people in these areas. Then social, cultural and economical factors. Social: areas for better housing, education and health facilities are more densely populated. Like example, Pune. Cultural: places with religion and cultural significance attract people. Example: Varanasi, Jerusalem and Vatican City. Then economical: industrial areas attract large number of people as it provides employment opportunities. For example, Osaka in Japan and Mumbai in India. Then population change. Population change refers to the change the number of people during a specific time. The change happens due to the changes of the number of birth and death. Until 1800s, world's population grew steadily but slowly. Large number of babies were born, but they died early too, as there were no proper health facilities. Also, sufficient food was not available for all of them. In 1804, the world's population reached 1 billion. In 1959, the world's population reached 3 billion, which is often called population explosion. In 1999, 14 years later, the population doubled into 6 billion. The main reason for this growth was that with better food supplies and medicine, deaths are reducing while number of births still remaining fairly high. The natural growth rate. Birth rate, the number of the live births per 1000 people. Death rate, the number of death per 1000 people. Migration is the movement of people in and out of an area. The difference between the birth rate and death rate of a country is called the natural growth rate. The population increase in the world is mainly due to the rapid increase of natural growth rate. Then migration. Migration is another way by which the population size changes. Immigrants are people who leave a country. Countries like the United States of America and Australia have gained in the number by immigration or immigration. Immigrants are those who arrives in a country. Sweden is an example of a country that has experienced a loss of population number due to out-migration or emigration. Then patterns of population change. Rates of the population growth vary across the world. Countries like Kenya have high population growth rate as they had both high birth rates and death rates. Countries like United Kingdom, population growth is slowly because of the both low death rate and birth rates. Population composition. The population composition refers to the structure of the population. It tells about the age, sex, literacy level, health conditions, occupation and income level of the population. Population pyramid is also called an age-sex pyramid. Is the way to study the population composition of the country. A population pyramid shows the total population divided into various age group, example 5 to 9 years, 10 to 14 years. The percentage of the total population subdivided into male and female in each of those groups. These are two groups of dependents: young dependents age below 15 years and elderly dependents age above 65. Those between the age of 15 years to 65 years are working age and are the economically active. The population pyramid tells us how mainly dependents there are in the country. The population pyramid of the country in which birth and death rates both are high is broad at the base and rapidly narrow towards the top because although many children are born, a large percentage of them die in their infancy. Relatively few become adult and there are very few old people. Example Kenya. Then given the pyramid of Kenya. Next one, the countries which death rates especially amongst very young are decreasing. The pyramid is broad in the younger age group because the more infants survive to adulthood. These countries contains a relatively large number of young people and which means a strong and expanding labor force. For example, India. Birth rate and the infant death also low, so adult number it is high. The countries where the death rates are decreasing allow number of people to reach the old age. Example Japan. And pyramid we can see birth rate it is very low and infant mortality also very low, so they are reaching to the adulthood and then they are reaching to old age even above 85 years also. This is all about the lesson. We will continue with the question answer.